What's poppin', Diva gang? How are y'all today? I'm super excited to be doing this video. We are making some Bratz press-on nails, honey. I've been wanting to do these for a minute now. Right here, I'm just showing y'all how I use those display tips to make like these extra long square tips. Basically, I started out with one hand already cut. I measured them out and everything, and then I did the other hand on camera for you all so you could kind of see how I did that. It was pretty simple. I just used my nail cutter and I measured it up with the other nails, and then I also filed around the cuticle to make them a little bit more round and not so square, make them maybe fit a little better. I think this is a great method. I think a lot of press-on nail artists are doing this now, and I think it's great. The only thing is that you do need to use something to, excuse me. You do need to use something to kind of reinforce the nails, because on their own they're not very strong, obviously, because you know you're meant to like either display them or put acrylic on them. So I didn't use any builder gel or anything for this video, just because these are more of display nails, honey. These are long as hell. I knew I wasn't going to be wearing them for any real length of time other than like this video and some pictures, so I didn't do any of that. But I might reinforce them maybe with like some builder gel if I was planning to wear these out. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going in with my primer. Y'all know how I do. And then I just did a regular coat of base gel, because even though I knew these were just display tips, I did want to make sure the polish stayed on. And y'all, I'm so freaking mad I didn't get any freaking videos of these nails, really. Well, I'll talk about that later, but I'm really upset about that. But this is going to be the first video in my Bratz doll transformation. Yes, honey, I'm turning myself into a Bratz doll. The second part of this kind of little video mini series will be up next Friday. This is going up Friday the 16th. That video will be up Friday the 23rd. Yeah, so a little bit about just my inspiration for these nails, I guess, as you all watch the process. Like I said, I've been wanting to do some Bratz nails for a little minute now. I did some kind of a while ago, but you know, they just weren't giving what I needed them to give. They weren't what I wanted them to be. So I really wanted to just do a really crazy freestyle Bratz set. But so some of you may have noticed that I did change the name of my channel from Diamond Dose Nails to Diamond Dose Beauty. And the reason why I did that is because Diamond Dose is the brand, but I wanted to be able to do more here on my channel, because my Instagram is dedicated to nail art and my work as a press-on nail artist. But here I wanted to have the flexibility to do makeup and vlogs, and I'm really passionate about fashion and hair. So this is kind of like my way of introducing some, like a new kind of wave of content that I want to bring onto this channel. It was a lot of fun making these nails, to be honest. It was also a lot of fun filming the second part of this video, which I can't wait for you all to see. I think you're gonna really love it. And I had a great time just doing this. It was tons of fun, to be honest. Yeah, so that'll be coming soon. Keep an eye out for that. Get excited. It's really cute or whatever. And then let me know how you feel about it. So yeah, this is just basically a freestyle set. What you just saw me do was paint 2 coats of each nail that I wanted color on. I kind of showed you all my little plan for these nails that I had written out or sketched out. So I'm just kind of following that same plan. These nails took me it's funny like how long these took me to make, and then how like edited and short this video now is. Like, it's just really funny, like, how that works, you know. I think I was making these nails for maybe like 4 hours, just because I wanted to take my time. I wanted them to come out cute. And also, like, even when I wrote the idea down, I still didn't have it like all the way together, you know. And then also there's just a lot going on. Like, there's airbrush, there's designer foil, there's elaborate bling, there's water decals. There's a lot happening in this set, but I must say I do think that all the nails came together really, really well. And I feel like the story also was really, really clear on these nails, because the Bratz are just, they're those girls, okay? They're those girls, and they're freaking fabulous. Like, I feel like this set is everything that the Bratz dolls would be if they were like a nail line. Like, gosh, I just am super pleased with the way that these came out. But y'all, when I tried to get pictures of these nails, holy moly, they're just so freaking long. And don't get me wrong, I love a long nail, but I didn't glue them down. I used like my latex base coat to apply them. And you know, because I kind of had to file the nail bed or whatever, they didn't really fit me all that great, and they just kept falling off. I kept dropping my phone. My nails kept getting in the way of the camera. Like, I'm so sorry that I did not get any real like videos of these nails, but there will be plenty to see in the second part of this video, and I hope that it makes up for it. I hope you're not too mad at me. And I'll have more pictures of these nails up on my Instagram as well. So make sure you check that out, girl or guy. Okay, it's gonna be fire. This is the glitter ombre nail that I'm doing right now, and all I did was just place these glitters in some base coat gel, and they did lay pretty flat for the most part. I just took like a holographic kind of silvery glitter that I got off Amazon, and I'm just using this pink glitter and kind of mixing them together, making them look real cohesive, you know, kissing cousin glitter. I don't know. Anyway, I just did it like halfway down the nail, and oh, my favorite part, we about to airbrush. I love airbrushing. I'm having so much fun with airbrushing. I have a video coming out, well, I guess it won't be soon for y'all, but look forward to lots of airbrushing videos, okay? Because I freaking love it. I love airbrushing. Like, it's so much fun, and it just allows you to be super creative. Like, I feel like a lot of people feel really limited with press-on nails because they're not acrylics or whatever, but like, there's so much that you can do with airbrushing, and I don't know, I'm having a super fun time with my airbrush. I was just talking to my housemate the other day, and I told her I feel like an airbrush is probably my best nail investment of 2021, because I literally use it so much. And oh, look at that, y'all, I put too much polish when I was airbrushing the bottom part of this nail, and it started wrinkling. But I was gonna put a gummy bear on this nail anyway. I just kind of had to adjust the placement of it, and it's still cute. All right, it ain't nothing. Look, we put it on there, and now it's like it never even happened. Don't nobody even gotta know. All right, so yeah, but I'm really loving multicolor ombres right now. I want to do just an entire set that's like a multicolor ombre set with like spring colors, and that will be coming soon, before spring is over anyway, so look out for that. I made these decals myself. Yes, girl, I make and sell nail art decals on my website. So if you're a press-on nail artist, you want to get you some fresh decals, make sure you check me out. Link will be below. But if you want a tutorial on how I created these decals, comment below and let me know, because I'll try to do that if you like. I know I still need to make the Cricut nail art sticker video, and I will, because I also use Cricut stickers to do like airbrush. So I think I'm gonna do like a how to make airbrush stencils with the Cricut. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming soon. But yeah, I'm gonna do a more in-depth video also on how to do water decal application. But essentially, I cut the decal out, placed it in the water face down, and then I left it in there for maybe like 30 seconds, however long it took for the back not to be like white anymore, but like to be, you know, saturated in water. And then I took it out, slid it off very carefully, and then I just placed it on the nail. Sometimes what I like to do when I'm doing like a full nail decal is put some foil glue on the nail, and it just helps kind of like stick it on there, because most of the time, you know, you have to like file the excess of the decal off, and that foil glue will just make sure that the rest of the decal stays where it's supposed to. So you just saw me do the full bling nail, and now I'm adding a little puff at the top. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? When I was thinking about what to do with this set, I was like, oh yes, I have to use these little puffs that I got for real cheap on Amazon. I got for the low. All right. Yeah, the only thing though about this one, they didn't all come with magnets. Like these white ones don't have any magnets on them, so I can't like remove them. That's why also these nails aren't very wearable, but whatever, I wasn't planning on wearing them anyway. So yeah, I started working on the other hand some more, because like I said, I was a little all over the place when I made this set, which you can probably tell by now. I was kind of all over the place. So yeah, look at that full bling nail. Isn't that cute? I can't wait for you all to see. I'm gonna try one more time to get some more videos of these nails, but if not, I will probably have more videos up on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. Yeah, make sure you do that, girlfriend or guy friend. But yeah, the Bratz logo nail gives me life. I just surrounded it in bling. Look how cute this hand is coming out already. This hand is coming out super cute. On that French nail, the white kind of started wrinkling a little bit, but it's whatever. And I also put a little puff on the ring finger on the other hand with the glitter ombre nail. And that glitter ombre, girl, that glitter ombre came out so cute. I definitely need to do more videos on like glitter ombre with the airbrush, because like I said, the airbrush just opens up a whole world of possibilities for nail art, I feel like, and I'm having a blast using my airbrush, and I want you all to have a blast using your airbrush as well, so we're gonna do it together. Okay, so I just covered this nail in some base coat, and I'm placing some gold foil around the decal. That was really all I did there. Once the decal was dry though, I waited for it to dry. Then I went in and placed this YSL sticker on my glitter ombre nail, and it's looking real cute. Okay, this is my favorite hand, I think. I hate choosing like between my nails, but like the hand with the Bratz logo I think is like my favorite, or came out to be like my favorite hand. I don't know why. I love both of these. You know, I love this whole set. It's a vibe, it's a mood, it's cute, it's expensive, okay, it's bougie, but like I don't know, that right hand just hits different, I feel like. But I hate that I was kind of out of frame for this part, but on that French nail, I'm applying some of these holographic butterflies. I got these off of Amazon. If you want the link, just let me know and I can provide it to you. I also got this money charm off of Amazon, and I feel like that set this hand off, y'all. Like, I don't know, I kept feeling like something was missing from this hand in particular, and I feel like that money charm really set it off. And then I took one of these embroidery charms that you would use on a sweater. I peeled the back of the, like, you know, the part where you would sew it off. I like peeled it off or whatever, and then I just used some Macart bling glue to place it on at the base of this nail. And then finally, I can't believe I talked through these entire voiceovers, but I went in for a final top coat to seal everything in. I think I ended up doing like 2 coats of top coat, and then I also went in and kind of filed around the nails like I normally do, just to reinforce the shape just a little bit. And then I also went in and I cleaned the nails with an alcohol wipe. And this was my final result. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad I didn't get any more pictures or videos. But what do y'all think? I think these are super cute. I freaking love how these came out. I'm super satisfied with the way these came out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for the second part of this video where I turn myself into a Bratz doll. Peace. Mwah.